Initially, I was only planning to make 4 videos in response to Lord Monckton, but seeing that his new tour is being trumpeted after 16 years of no warming, I thought I can squeeze out just one more. So until recently, Christopher was running around saying,
Later, we've now had 15 years on any measure, and perhaps 20 on some measures, without any global warming at all.
Are you surprised to find there has been no global warming for 15 years?
And now we've gone to 16 years. So what is it about this wonderful year, 1998, that Christopher always has to return to? Now, if we group Mr. 1998 with all his buddies and have a good look at him, we can see he stands out a bit like a sore thumb. Of course, Monckton tries to say,
no, because there isn't any. There hasn't been any global warming for 15 years, and you know it. If you don't know it, it's easy enough to check. Just check with any of the 5 major global temperature data sets. They are kept by the Hadley Centre and CRU by...
The last 10 years have been the hottest in history.
Yes, except that for 9 of those 10 years we have had a rapid and statistically significant decline in temperature.
But if we actually do that ourselves, we don't really see the same result as what he's trying to tell us. He'd probably get further if he tried to say 10 years, but nobody's really going to take him seriously. It's not that long a period really when you're looking at climate. So what about 12 years? Oops, doesn't work. How about 20 years? Nope. In fact, 1998 only works when you put your own line in. This can be thought of as Monckton's Goldilocks zone. But the truth of the matter is, it really doesn't work. We haven't had since 1998 any kind of a decline in temperature that Christopher would like us to pretend we had. It's just blatantly wrong. You could also cherry pick somewhere between the 40s to the 70s and come up with the same kind of thing. That's not really relevant to where we're at today. And where we are today isn't really where we'll be in 10 years. The story he's telling just doesn't make sense. On another interesting note, back in 2011, in response to the Durban meeting, Monckton had this lovely little note. A new global temperature target will aim, Canute-like, to limit global warming to as little as 1 degree C above pre-industrial levels. Since the temperature is already 3 degrees C above those levels, what is in effect being proposed is a 2 degrees C cut in today's temperatures. This would take us halfway back towards the last ice age and would kill hundreds of millions. Looking again at the temperature anomaly, we have between negative 0.4 and positive 0.4. That's roughly 0.8 degrees C change. That's less than 1 degree C. So that's what they're hoping to achieve, keeping it in that ballpark. Looking also at the NASA data, they put the temperature increase at 1.5 degrees F, which is about the same, 0.8 degrees C. So where Chris gets this 3 degrees of warming, I don't know. Maybe he's the real warmest here. Moreover, his claim is really odd. If going back 2 degrees, as he's suggesting, halfway towards an ice age, that's still 1 degree warmer than pre-industrial. So is he trying to claim that pre-industrial times were just that closer? Just fringing an ice age? Why on earth are we listening to him?